Welcome back to TikTok or TikFlop. It's been a while, where we review viral recipes or easy hacks that are sometimes not easy. At the end, I'm gonna give it a score out of 10. So today we're going to review the burger. Ow, my leg. Let's get into it. In the video it looks very simple because she has dough ready to go, puts in the patty, puts in the cheese, bada bing bada boom, it's done. I don't have the time and I'm too lazy to make the dough from scratch, so we're going to replace the burger dough with pizza dough. Will it be as good? Probably not. We're not going for the flavor super test, we're going for the convenience obviously, and so on and so forth. So we have cheddar, egg yolk, caramelized onion that I made, 2 burger patties that I fried, burger sauce, gherkins, and jalapenos, and of course our sesame seeds. So let's go. So convenience wise, she had like a little bit of a bowl. Let's put the pizza dough in there. Gonna have to remove this and then just plop it in there. It looked very easy on the video. I don't know why it's so difficult right now. Jesus. I have something. I have a pocket. Look at this. Beautiful. Gordon Ramsay would be proud. Oh, we forgot our pinchy. Wait, let me zoom in. Let's go. Oh, professional shot. Even more professional. More zoom. The zoomier, the professional. There we go. Why does it change colors? Computer, enhance. We're just gonna leave it at this. There we go. Pinchy. We go in with the cheese. The patty. Sauce it up. Hell yeah, that's enough sauce. First I'm gonna put in some caramelized onions in there. Oh yeah, look at the beauty. I love caramelized onions so much. By the way, all of the things that you see in this video we have on our channel. The caramelized onions, everything. The tiniest of gherkins, put them everywhere. We go with the jalapenos, a little spice, then another burger, and finally the cheese. That should be it. That should be the burger. Let's wrap everything up. Okay. Cut this excess off. It's a little bit much. And then flip it. It's stuck to my bowl. It's literally stuck to my... Oh. It's coming out slowly but surely. Okay. We have our burger patty. It is very floopy. It has air pockets in it, which is not great. Cheese is already poking out. I'm not gonna fuck around too much with it. Let's get our baking sheet. Plop it on there. Brush it with some egg wash. So it's nice and golden brown when it's done. I added a little bit of water to my egg. That way it smears a little bit better and you can cover like more surface. And the finishing touch, destroy everything with sesame seeds. Oh yeah, look at this. Perfect burger doesn't exist, but wait, it does. It's right in front of me. I am very skeptical about how this will go down. Alright, so plop it in there according to the dough baking instructions. It's gonna be 15 to 20 minutes for me. While we wait, if you have any suggestions for any other things to film, to test out, feel free to shoot a comment in the comment section below. Did you guys miss Sausage? Sausage the cat? Look at her. She's so old, yet so cute. She's currently 16 years old. Can you imagine? 16. Alright, it's been almost 20 minutes. As you can see, the burger is burgering. I'm going to give it a couple of more minutes to become more golden brown, and then we'll see. 20 minutes later, it is done. Cheese has melted. The bun is done on the underside. It's nice and golden brown. Let's have a look on the inside. I'm going to cut it on a plate because it's still very hot. Alright, the big reveal. Oh my god. Look at this. It's super hot, by the way. It's extremely hot. First impressions. The dough on the bottom of the bowl is nice and thin. But here, because I didn't know how much was on top, you can see it's quite thick and a little bit raw still in the middle. I can also imagine this happening with the dough that you made from scratch because you can't estimate how much dough is left there, or it's very tricky. As you can see, a lot of pockets here as well. We're going to have a taste test for sure. Welcome to the tasting couch. By this time, the burger has cooled off enough for me to hold it, but it's still pretty hot. All right, first bite. Cheers. It's very hot still. Even though it's pizza dough, it's pretty damn good. It's actually good. Then again, I'm just praising my own cooking skills. I made the patties, I made the caramelized onions and cheese, and I didn't make the cheese, but still. I can imagine this being even more delicious if you make your own dough. It's good and it's contained in a pocket, so it doesn't leak out. The downsides to it is you have thick pieces of dough. So at the top it's thin, at the bottom is very thick. Just because I made it the first time, maybe you can perfect the technique, but I don't know. Time for the scores! Was it delicious? I'm gonna give it 8 out of 10. It was pretty damn good. Even with pizza dough, it was pretty damn good. Is it delicious? Yes, but it's delicious because it's a burger. All the ingredients are there except for the buns are different. You might as well just buy some brioche buns, toast them nicely and just stack all of the ingredients. Burger will be even more delicious. Was it worth the effort? I'm gonna give it a 5. I made it with a pre-made pizza dough. Imagine you making a dough from scratch and then making that where the bun is imbalanced, because obviously you're gonna make it for the first time. So is it worth the effort? Not so much. Am I going to make it again? I'm going to give it the likelihood of me making it again 2 out of 10. Too much hassle for a mediocre result. All right, that's about it. Let me know what you think about this segment. Do you like it? Do you want to see it more? Until next time.